We are covering Kanban and lean concepts, a critical area for your PMP exam. A Kanban board is a tool for visualizing and managing workflow, but for the exam, you must see it as a pull system, not just a task board. The most important mechanism for making this system work is setting work in progress or WIP limits. The PMP exam will test this with scenario questions. For instance, if a team is constantly context switching, missing deadlines, and seems overloaded. The correct Agile answer is not to add more people or work overtime. It is to implement or lower the WIP limits. This action forces the team to focus on completing existing work before starting new tasks, which immediately exposes the true bottlenecks in the workflow. Now, let's focus on flow metrics, which are a common source of confusion and exam traps. You must know the precise difference between lead time and cycle time. Lead time is the total elapsed time from when a customer makes a request until they receive the final delivery. It represents the entire customer experience. Cycle time, on the other hand, measures the time from when the team actually begins working on an item until that item is delivered. It measures the team's efficiency. An exam question will give you a scenario like this. A feature request was logged on May 1st. The development team started work on May 10th and deployed the feature on May 28th. The question will then ask for the cycle time. The cycle time is 18 days from the start of work to delivery. The lead time is 27 days from the initial request. Mixing these two up is a classic trap you must avoid. These Kanban concepts are rooted in lean principles, which are all about maximizing customer value while minimizing waste. For the PMP exam, you need to identify waste, which might be described as unnecessary documentation, delays waiting for approvals, or features that the customer didn't ask for. Other key lean principles tested are amplifying learning, which involves using short iterations and feedback loops to adapt, and delivering fast, which is the direct outcome of managing flow and eliminating waste. A memorable shortcut for the exam is to associate the letters LED time is the longer total time from the customer's perspective. Cycle time is the core work time your team is actively engaged in. This distinction is key to correctly answering questions about process improvement and performance metrics. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.